Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by matching hardware and iPhone settings so the connection works reliably. First, pick the right cable or Lightning to HDMI adapter for your iPhone model. This ensures video and audio pass-through. Once done, plug into a monitor input that supports the resolution you want, 1080p or 4K, and set the monitor to that source. Then open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, or go to Settings, Display, and Brightness to confirm mirroring options are enabled. Once plugged in, you'll configure both devices so the image is crisp and usable. After connecting the cable or adapter and supplying external power if needed, switch the monitor to that input. Then set resolution and scaling on the monitor menu to match the iPhone's native output. This prevents stretching. Make sure audio output is routed to the monitor or external speakers, and if the display supports touch or keyboard input, enable those features. This step reduces lag and fixes misaligned UI elements. You're finishing up by verifying everything works in real tasks. Play a video, open apps, and rotate the display to confirm orientation and audio. If you see no signal, first reset cables and power cycle the iPhone and monitor, then try another HDMI port or adapter to isolate hardware faults. Make sure iOS and any monitor firmware are updated, because compatibility fixes often arrive in updates. If issues persist, test with a different monitor or adapter to determine which component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.